back in my zone, I'm back on my shit. Yeah. Niggas been counting me out. I'm back in my zone, I'm back on my shit. I was down.
What's up? Hey Royals, welcome back to the Kweendom. If you're new here, why not go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's get fancy. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve these little curls. Okay, it probably would have been better if I kept on plugging my curls. So yeah, you'll see.
I'm back on my shit. Yeah. Niggas been counting me out. I'm back in my zone, I'm back on my shit. I was down bad and I ain't had shit. One thing on my mind, take care of my kids. Niggas was laughing, you said I was trash. Clothes a little baggy, they really didn't fit. Thought it was funny, I started getting money. Your nose a little runny, you're making them sick. I'm all in my bag, I gotta get rich. Fuck it, my niggas, yeah, I stopped my wrist. Drippin' so hard, it look like I pissed. I hate ugly bitches that think they the shit. Niggas be lying and hoes be trying to get in my pocket. You only got dick. Baby, stop crying, I swear that you mine. Baby, we flying, let's go take a trip. I'm just getting started, you gon' feel my pain. Keep grinding, my nigga, just stay in your lane. These niggas gon' hate, I won't do the same. Keep it 100, you see how I came. These niggas won't beef, they just want the fame. Really don't get it, try just to the game. On God, my nigga won't change on the game. Got them young niggas, they ready to stain. I'm on a mission, that's why I can't quit. Don't fool with the lean, I might take a sip. She digging my stilo, she like how I drip. Counting me out, but I get the chips. Get a few bands, then I gotta flip. If it ain't about money, then I gotta skip. Ain't beefing about nothing, you try me, I'm busting. Revolver, I'm clutching, I might make it spit. All of these niggas stop lying, just quit. Can't like you got it, but really be flogging. All in my pockets, these hoes I be dodging. Something like a charger, get stained like a marker, I know what it is. Where was your father? The curse on us all. That's what's the problem, the system designed for us to get caught up. Open your mind for you to get shot up. The system designed for us to fail. Living your life behind bars in the cell. I almost was victim, I had to prevail. My flow is so wavy, I had to sell. Why I feel Lucci, this was me well. The only way out, serving them bells, shipping them packs, straight through the mail. It's part of the game, we living in hell, nigga. I'm just thanking God ain't giving up. I've been wanting something that's for real. Stepping on they neck, ain't letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Whole team eating, that's what's up. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the money, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand don't make you real.
This is for everybody. I'm killing everybody. I'm counting everybody. I swear on my mama, I got them, don't worry about it. This is for everybody.
I'm killing everybody. I'm counting everybody. I murder everybody. I swear on my mama, I got them, don't worry about it. Look.
I'ma kill them all back to back to back to back. These niggas having damn attacks. Imagine that. The fuck you niggas laughing at. They kill a beat body bag attached. A pretty bitch and I'm smashing that. I point them out, then I'm crashing that. A nice guy, but I'm passing that. The savage back and killing every. Hold on, wait. Slow clap for the top 10. Coming for the top spot, and I'm locked in and I'm watching. I'm a prophet, but I'm toxic. To the ballroom, dance to a mosh pit. Nigga, watch this. Got them nauseous and they coughing and they cautious. Said he popping, nigga, stop it. Put your best shit to my worst shit, and you probably wouldn't top it. And these niggas funny to me. Stepping on little niggas' neck, shit ain't nothing to me. I pray you kept the receipts. I heard that they put out a list without mentioning me. Fuck it, they sick of me now. I'm the epitome now. They wanna get rid of me now. I pray that they feeling me now. Middle child.
Staring at your picture, on my nightstand, smiling kinda big, cause I know I got a good man. And when I see you doing things I could've only prayed for, my soul rejoices, cause I know it must be God's plan. And I've never known a love like this before. In us I have no doubt, I know that's for sure. And you ain't gotta worry or wonder if what we have will grow old, cause I'ma love you, baby, till I can't love you no more. You give me more reason to smile with each new day, and that's the reason I thank God for you every time I pray. There's nobody I'd rather be doing life with. You place my vibe with your vibe, and baby, it's the perfect fit. Our love goes stronger and stronger from day to day. Just know you got my heart, baby, and I wouldn't have it any other way. You make me wanna say yes to you, baby, over and over again. I promise I would, baby. I don't care where or when. I guess all I'm really trying to say is how I feel about you. Baby, you should know I really love you.
zone, I'm back on my shit. Yeah. Niggas been counting me out, I'm back in my zone, I'm back on my shit. I was down bad and I ain't had shit. One thing on my mind, take care of my kids. Niggas was laughing, you said I was trash. Clothes a little baggy, they really didn't fit. Thought it was funny, I started getting money. Your nose a little runny, I'm making them sick. I'm all in my bag, I gotta get rich. Fuck it, my niggas, yeah, I up my wrist. Drippin' so hard, it look like I piss. I hate ugly bitches that think they the shit. Niggas be lying and hoes be trying to get in my pocket, you only got dick. Baby, stop crying, I swear that you mine. Baby, we flying, let's go take a trip. I'm just getting started, you gon' feel my pain. Keep grinding, my nigga, just stay in your lane. These niggas gon' hate, I want to.
That is the end of this video, guys. This is how the hair came out. I love the bang. Like, the bang is giving me life. But I think just because it's shorter, so it held the curves better. The longer hair just kind of curved the ends. And it got body to it, so. So it got curls. It's just, I got curls. Like, it ain't like it had a lot of body to it. I'm not doing my edges because I don't have a brush. But overall, it's cute or whatever. I love this bang. The jigger thing I got going. That's it. Bye, guys.
Shipping them packs straight through the mail. It's part of the game. We living in hell, nigga. I'm just thanking God ain't giving up. I've been wanting something that's for real. Stepping on they neck, ain't letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Whole team eating, that's what's up. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the money, don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand don't make you real.
This is for everybody. I'm killing everybody. I'm counting everybody. I swear.